Hey guys, Eric here. This is the Snake AI project. It's made in Java, Eclipse. It uses neural networks and it simulates evolution in the computer. So you run the program by clicking Run Snake AI. It opens up the preview window here, and there are two options. You can type the number of generations you'd like to run. Each generation is 100 snakes big, and it runs through a game of Snake with all of them. Then it gets all the snakes who did the best, and it reproduces those with slight mutations, just like normal evolution. Then you could also type -1 if you wanted to access a past algorithm that you saved to file, and we'll get into that later. So let's run one generation, simple, and we'll see it. Open up the preview window, and it will start moving. Yeah, so it still doesn't quite know how to react to the surroundings, so let's have it test more and more and evolve more and more so that it gets better and better. Let's go for 10 generations. Oh, my bad. Whoops. I ran the wrong thing. Let's run for 10 generations. Okay, we got 1,000. Let's see this now. It should be a lot better. Yeah, it's running pretty well now. It's still only got 1,000, so yeah, still running into the same issue as before. So let's run even more. Let's run 20 more generations. Got 1955. I think we can go even higher than that. Let's run another generation. So let's say we'll run 40 generations. We're getting higher. 2,200. Let's run even more. Let's run 50 more generations. 2,400. Let's run one more time. We'll go a bit bigger this time. Let's go 70. Alright, looking pretty big right now. This is about the cap. It doesn't go much higher than this. So let's see what it does. Very fast, efficient. It's only taking the necessary turns. It's running very smoothly. Now it can evade its own tail as well and work around the walls and such. Something important to note. It's starting to take up the strategy of like stacking over itself and going like around its own body. See, just like that. Yeah, like that. So the snake, sadly, isn't perfect. It will loop in on itself just like that. So it came up around. It can't see its own tail, like it can't see the entirety of its tail, so it can't tell if it's looping in on itself. It can only see immediate danger in front of it, or to the right or to the left, and then it can see the general direction of the apple. So it isn't self-aware of its entirety, so it will always break there. That is the inherent issue with this. I'm hoping to fix it in my next generation or build a snake AI. Stay tuned.